A seasoned guide breaks down how to read subtle weather cues and decide when to set up shelter. He demonstrates a ground shelter in a rainy forest, showing how to pick a dry spot and insulate with leaves. The episode weaves in a practical scenario where a camper senses an approaching storm and makes rapid adjustments to protect gear and body heat. Expert tips cover layering, improvised tarps, and the mindset to stay calm while evaluating wind direction and drainage. Personal stories from remote treks emphasize practice, repetition, and keeping a simple kit ready for any weather surprise.